Hi dear friend, how to choose the high quality transparent film for your nylon open and zipper or for your plastic open and zipper? Let me tell you the simple way. They have two main points. First, we should check the transparent film is softer and smooth without any bubble. So we can see this one is more hard than this one, and the more soft one, the quality is more good. And second, we can check it by this way. Look at this one, it's the normal quality, and this one, because this one can be broken easily. And this one, let's check. Okay, I use my largest power, but I cannot break it. It cannot be broken by myself. Okay, so this one is with more high quality. If you are interested to get more details about the size and other information, you are welcome to send email to us. Thank you.